Okay, that was a bit of a longer video as far as the intro is concerned, but I just picked this up today. This was the engine that I showed you guys, I think it was about a week ago when I was testing it out at Nicholas Smith Trains. I've been playing with the CV values a little bit. So I use the MRC Tech 6. So in order to program or reprogram your volumes, you hit P, and I'll just use this as an example. So you hit P, and then the CV of 131 for the prime mover. Then you hit enter. Then you plug in your number value from 0 to 255. So I have my prime mover set, I believe, on 240. And then my air compressor is on 188. So you can actually hear the air compressor now. I might tweak with the bell and make the bell slightly louder. But other than that, it's pretty much done. Yeah, I'm pretty well pleased with this engine. Yeah. So I know a couple of you guys on the Amtrak forum were wondering what CVs to change. So that's what I did. First of all, the dynamic brakes were left on, and that's why you couldn't hear the prime mover notching up and down, because it was in dynamic brake mode. So to shut that off, you just hit F4, and that's pretty much it. And then your alternate volume mixer, or alternate mixer, basically F9, basically just like makes the engine a little bit more quieter. Like it just like it makes this like all the sounds just quieter. So prime mover, bell, everything. And then when you just hit F9 again, it just brings them back up to the pre-programmed volume again. But yeah, there's a lot of different different things going on here. See, it says CV value 124, but then it says here 132. So what the? Yeah, I'm confused. All right. Well, this basically shows everything. I haven't played with the horns yet. Although, what would it be like to have a P5A on a P42? Would that be something interesting? I don't know. I might play with that. I don't know, guys. What would you guys think? An old cast P5A or a modern P5A on a P40? I mean, there's even more horn options on here than I've seen on the last one. Of course, that was a SD45T-2, but... And then you have the different bells here. You can change the rate, obviously. But, yeah, that's the video I wanted to make for you guys, because I've been playing around with it, and I was kind of like scratching my head, and I said, well, let me just try taking this dynamic brake sound off, and yeah, that's where it all started. So, I think my back windows on this side and on the other side are backwards, I think. I could be wrong, but I know the one here is fine. These are fine, these are fine. There was a couple little blemishes on the side here. Nothing really, other than that, I mean, other than that, it's a pretty good engine. I'm happy with it. This is actually my second P42 I bought recently. I originally had, let's see, I had two phase 3s, two phase 4s, and then I had the Metro North P32 ACDM. So at one time I had 5 P40 type locomotives in my collection. They were all Athearn blue boxes, and I sold those. But now I have this and then the Kato one. So altogether in my lifetime I've had 7 P42s, which is pretty good. But I didn't have any after I sold the last batch, so I just decided to get this one after I got my Kato one. Yeah, enough of me rambling. I'm just going to post this video so you guys can see what I did and hear what I did. Pre-program the lights alternate with the horn. So I got the sounds muted, but they do alternate with the horn. You can also set it up so that direction of travel, your marker lights come on automatically. Or you can, you know, change them manually. And then you have your dimmer. Where's your dimmer? F7 is your dimmer. So yeah, F7 is your dimmer. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give that long sound intro to you guys just so you could hear the differences when you're tweaking with the decoder. Alright, so you guys be cool, and I'll see you later. Peace, y'all.